Okay, so let's get started. So in this video, let me talk about either Bitcoin's going to Bitcoin's going to get a more dump incoming, or it's here to settle and it's time to buy. And let's see which trends this time we can attack so that the next time we are up, we are 100% up. And at last, let's talk about some crypto news, which y'all mostly will be interested. And even then, whether we need to short this market and till where we need to short. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here's the crypto news. Here's the crypto bubble, and we need to see what are the weekly trends, and the last time what trends came. Okay, so this time these trends were like so here there was so in the weekly bubble there was 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀, it was 13% up. Cash, so 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀 was pumping. We need to see that also, whether we need to see bridges. And OMG layer 2 was pumping. Let's see in a month. Okay, we have never seen a month, but MX LQTY. Okay, Ronan. Let's see in a daily now. HNT. Okay, so LPT was pumping yesterday. Good short if you're taken. Magic was down. JNS down. Okay, HNT. Okay, so let's go on to the BTC charts right away. And let me tell you about the yesterday short. If you were there yesterday live, y'all would have got this short, which I am there in this short. You would have got this short. Nice clean shot. Yo. Okay. You would have got this short. You would have got C. From year to year. Shorting it. Okay. Then y'all would have got STX short. Then LPT short if y'all were there yesterday. From here to here. This one also I am there on. This short I am there on LPT. STX I am there. Then 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀 I forgot to short because that Binance had that problem, right? So this guy I forgot to short. If you were shorting, you could short from here, and now it's here in this position. You see properly. Okay. So from here it's going to come here. Here's a take profit. Okay, so now let's talk about the BTC chart, and is BTC going to dump or is this a small pullback? Okay, so yesterday's is here. Okay, so let's remove the yesterday's one. Let's clear the full thing. Let me clear the full drawings. Let's put a new drawings over here. Here one. Then here, this is the, let's make it white so I can understand. Let's make this white again. Okay, so for now, the BTC chart. Okay, so this is the BTC chart, and the BTC, see, for now the BTC has two options. Okay, so the BTC has two options. Let's see on the 30-minute chart how it is. Okay, so the BTC, if you see that this is the trend line. Okay, from here it comes from this end to here. Okay, let's make that white. Red is, you can't see exactly on the screen. Okay, so this is white. Okay, let's see on a 2-hour chart. So 2-hour chart. Okay, so if BTC right now, if BTC is doing its work. Okay, so if BTC right now, this area, okay, this area, if BTC breaks this area, it most probably will come here, this resistance at 28,648K. Okay, so this is the resistance it will get. So from here, if it breaks this, okay, if it breaks, it can go here. Then it can break this, and it can give a higher low, and we need to buy it here. Okay, so you got it right, and then it can go up. Oh, now let's make it red. Let's talk about the bearish part. Okay, so now this is the bearish. Okay, so now BTC, what it can do, BTC can go at this support, the bearish. Okay, BTC can go at this support, it can hit here, and then it can come here. Okay, it can touch this this support, okay? And from here it can bounce again back. The next thing it can do is it can hit this, can break here at this spot, can hit this, and then it can come back again down, okay? And it can bounce from back from here, okay? Then third one is it can go here, can come here, go back again, and it can come here down, okay? So there's three ways of looking at it now, okay? There's three short positions you can take here. So right now you don't need to take shorts because the 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 profit is very less than the loss you'll get, okay? So now we don't short Bitcoin, we just wait and watch what it does, whether we need to long. And if you're longing, okay, so if you're longing, wait 1 second, let's clear all the drawings. So if you're longing Bitcoin right now, so if you're longing Bitcoin, what you will do, you'll long it over here at this range, okay? At this support, when it comes here, you long it here, okay? And if you're shorting, you short it at this range here. Now there's no use of shorting and longing. Now you just need to watch shorting, and it breaks here, you can short here. And the previous support, which will be at this range, you can put your take profits over here if you're shorting it. I'll put it red. This guy, red. Oh, this thing red. Okay. So red. So now I'm shorting it from here. It will be this. This is the previous support. So you'll put the take profit here. If you're longing and it goes up here, here, this area it hits here and it goes up. Your resistance will be around 30, 32, somewhere there it will be, right? Yep, it will be there. Just check it here. So we need to be ready, okay? So will be what rubbish, see this new thing came. 100 bars available. I don't know what new thing they did. What about that? They are not giving us also. But normally I'll check. So it will be here at this resistance. That's around 34 to 35, okay? Putting it around here. This is your preview. If it breaks that area, it's going to this area. So most of you will be here. This is your area, okay? Because it's touching this two. So here, this area is touching the other area. This area, okay? So that's for it. If it breaks here, we are saying I'm telling you that it's going to go to 34k. So then we can ride it along 34k if you're longing it from here. Okay. So that's for the BTC. If it breaks this support, then you short it. Okay. This support. Okay. So now let's check on the ETH chart. The ETH chart is like this. Okay. So this is yesterday's thing. Okay. I'll just remove this yesterday. So So right now over there at yesterday's thing. So if you were there over there, okay, so right now it broke this support. Right now it needs to right now this is the area, the trend line. Let's take it from here to here. Okay, so if it keeps resisting this area, if it keeps hitting this resistance, this area, this line, if it keeps hitting it and not breaking it, there's more probably going here. And if it breaks this, you can put your big short position. You can put your TP around here 16,630.24, your take profit if it breaks this area. Okay, this area. And if it go, then the second way is if it goes long from here, it can break this. Okay, so now here's the longs. So if it breaks this, it can go up from here, it can go here. Okay, so we don't long here, never long here in the middle, because if you long in the middle, it'll go like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. You got it right? So you don't have to long in the middle. Then you wait and watch till it breaks this area for longing. Okay, then you can put your other TP, can put it around here. Put your other TP around here. Okay, then you can say it'll go to big long TP at 23. I'll put it green. Okay, so I can understand. Put your big long TP at 2362. That's a good TP. Okay, so then we just need to ride it till there. Okay, and stop loss, just put, say suppose you're putting a stop loss, put it here below. Putting a short stop loss, put it is anywhere above this here. Okay, so that's for the ETH chart. Now let's check the AVAX chart. Okay, so for the AVAX chart, if yesterday over there this broke, you could have shorted from here to here. Okay, so that's also in trend. That's still there in trend. Okay, so now right now if it right now it's going down, so right now our thing is only to watch. Okay, if you're not into positions, you don't enter positions. We wait till this. Okay, so we wait for this. If it breaks this, if it breaks, right now we only watch, we don't do anything. If it breaks this, probably going up here. If it breaks this, we need to enter here, and then your TP for that, for this till ride is here. Your TP will be around, your TP will be around here 20.15 for AVAX. Okay, this is the AVAX chart. And if you're shorting, you're so good at shorting, you short it. Now we just wait, we don't short here if it comes down. Okay, make it red so I can understand. Okay, so right now let's do this. Okay, so now if it breaks, if it hits this resistance, it goes down, we short here. Okay, and we take a big TP around $15.37. Okay, so that's a big short TP for AVAX chart. Breaks only if it breaks this area here, this area 16.29, then we ride it all the way down, because now if we take, it will go like that, up down, up down, up down. Okay, got it right? Can be there or ranging. Okay, so now let's check on the Sol chart. Sol, Let's see what's this soul got to do. Let's this so for now. Soul was actually a good shot. Yesterday already taken. I also didn't take this shot. Should have taken this one. But no problem. Next time I'll take this shot. But for the viewers who are watching, you can see how to trade, and at last you all can do a tech. Okay. Okay, so all that. Okay, so for now it's just this guy is just going down. See, right now this is the Solana chart. Okay, Solana chart. Right now what it did, you all can see here. Right now there's no way going up. So it broke this area here, broke the support here, and it's going down. Now more probably it will go around here. Okay, so put a stop loss there. So it's here. So this guy also there's no use of shorting. If you're shorting, you have taken a good shot over here. If you would have taken here nicely, and then you could have ride it till here, your TP. So now this guy also you just need to watch. Okay, if it breaks this area, then you know the next area is this line. Okay, so we got it right. Solana chart. Solana also you need to watch. You can't enter now. This year, if you are taking from 2021-12 to 19.92, take up. But now you have to just watch whether it goes up. So it needs to break this resistance. Okay, for it to go up. This is the key. Let me show you the green one. Okay, so this is this is okay. So for now, Solana needs to go and break this for bullish. Till now it's just bearish. Okay, so for now we can't talk about the bullish part, only the bearish, just short. But now you don't need to short because you just need to watch, because from year to year the reward is not dead, the risk is lot. Okay, so for Solana chart, now let's go into rune Thorchain rune. Okay, for the rune chart, let me take some water. Okay, so now let's go to the rune chart. Let's go into 4-hour chart. So this is the 4-hour chart. Okay, so this is the resistance. Okay, you can say this is the support. So till now on a downward trend, and now it's of no use of shorting again. Also there's no use of shorting, because for now what this thing is doing now, let me show you exactly what. Okay, so for now put it right. Okay, bearish. Okay, so now what it's doing, it's going here, this range, and once it breaks here, then you can say you can short it from here. Okay, you're shorting. But if it comes here, breaks this, that's a bullish part. But till now, till it breaks this, you can put a short position till here. Okay, this area, this 1.169, you can take the short from here. Okay, your short position. Okay, you can take a short from 1.33 to 1.639. You can take a short position. Okay, so the bullish case over here will be this. Bullish case here will be this. Bullish case here will be this. Okay, so right now Right now it's here, right? Let's put this thing darker so you can see. Okay, so the bullish case here is it goes from here, it's here, then it gives you a higher high. From here it goes to here. So take profit longs, okay? Take profit 1.750, okay? So you enter it here at this one. You don't enter it here, okay? So it can even go after down. So you need to keep an eye on that also, okay? If it breaks, you put your stop loss here below. Got it? So that's it. Then let's check FTM. So let's check FTM. So this is a Quora chart. Now FTM. Okay, so FTM, okay. Only FTM you can get a good entry, okay? So FTM what's coming. Okay, let's remove this so people don't get confused with the real photo. What is this doodles on the chart? Okay, so kind of okay. So FTM fit. This FTM looks nice. Okay. So FTM is red. Okay, so if FTM breaks this one, which it's not showing that it's breaking, but if it breaks this, it's going to go here to 1.0.3953. Okay, so that's your take profit short. Take profit short. Okay, so that's you need to keep an eye on 0.3953 is your take profit. So for now, if you check on the 15-minute chart, let's see if it's giving a good short position. Okay, so for now, if I was taking it, if you're watching it live now, if you want to take this, let's see if it's good to take. Okay, so for now, you can see this area, you can take your position. Let's see where. Now, entry. So most probably it's going to come. I'll remove this thing. Okay, you don't get confused. Okay, so most probably now what we will do now, FTM it will come here till here, it will come till here. If this resistance it hits, it will more probably come down. Okay, so then you take the short here, take the short position here, you put your stop loss above this. Okay, so put your stop loss around 0.4651. If you're taking it live now, put it over here. The stop loss. Put your stop loss there. Stop loss around here. Then you put your entry around here. You wait and you check, and then if it goes down, then you put your take profit, which is here 0.3953. Okay, that's how you will trade the FTM chart for now. So then let's check if you are there on the STX trade with me. Let's check where it can go. Okay, so this is the STX chart. Yesterday it went, as you all know, yesterday. If you all were there yesterday, you look at a good chart. That looks like 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀 over here. This. So do it again here. Here. White color, and then this also white color. Okay, so for this chart, from here it's going to break, The TP, I told you, right? Your TP will be, the take profit of a short will be around 0.854. Okay, so now we still need to hold. We need to hold, and this needs to come here. So that yesterday, this is yesterday's trade, which I am also there on. You can put a trailing stop loss. Then let's check the LPT short. Okay, so I am there on the LPT short. So the LPT short, this one we don't have to do anything. So if you're there on the LPT short, I'm going to go year to year, take profit around 6.05 cents. Okay, so for now we don't do anything. We just put a trailing stop loss. Okay, we put like the stop loss here, then put it here, trailing stop loss. Put a trailing one about this, then breaks here. We put it here. Okay, so CKSB is also yesterday's one. This guy was this guy, if you all get now, we get a good gains because once it broke this, so once it broke this part here, taking a short would be good for you. But now you don't have to, you should not take this. Okay, so that's it. Take profit here. That's why CSKB. Now let's go into the, okay, so now let's go into the crypto news, which is the for today's crypto news. Let's check what's today's highlights. So okay, so for the trends, for these trends, we need to keep an eye on which trends we need to keep an eye. Let's see if you all know. Okay, so for now we need to keep an eye on the ZK one, the ZK sync, like IMX and Matic, since that the news came hit. So we need to keep an eye on those. When those bottom out, we need to attack. So we need to keep an eye on ZK coins and Matic, mainly IMX and Matic. And maybe if you want, you can put the third one, Mina. Okay, so we need to keep an eye on those till it bottoms. Then, not bottom, because see, this is the Matic chart, right? Keep an eye on those ones, because in the coming months, the ZK announcement is going to come, right? Matic and even ZK sync, the airdrop also they are saying something. So we need to keep an eye on ZK, and which else we need to keep an eye on? Okay, so ZK, then last time which one you think went? ZK, what else? Perpetual, not that much. Perpetual is on a downtrend. Okay, so mainly we need to keep an eye on ZK coins. Okay, so they are more probably going to go up because of the Matic and 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀 announcement in the coming months. Okay, so for that's a trend we need to keep an eye on. Okay, so now let's talk about the crypto news. Okay, see the ZK sync again. The ZK sync era mainnet alpha now launched. Okay, so the ZK sync mainnet is launched and now it's final, and 50 projects are set to go live. 50 projects are set to go live on the launch, and then they'll go live on March 24th. Okay, so ZK sync, if you could see, there's Matic, there's if you could see, okay, so there's, you know, that Matic, then 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀, then Arbitrum, then Optimism. So right now ZK sync is the first ZK EVM technology to come on Ethereum, okay, to go live on Ethereum. So it's the first, beating Matic and all the other layer 2s. Okay, so that's for the news of ZK. Okay, so the next news is this bank, 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀 bank surge, shares plunges, default insurance shows. Okay, so the share of this bank has dropped. Okay, so, and they are more probably speculating that there'll likely be a bailout for this bank also, since this bank has dropped, this bank share has dropped, and there'll be a bailout for this also. So maybe the uptrend can be at that time when the bailout is announced on the news. Okay, so now for the third news, Meta Labs, who is actually doing the ZK sync, who is actually involved in the ZK sync layer 2. They are saying they have no plans for airdrop. Okay, Twitter is just speculating. So this is always they say that, but as for now, they have no plans. They're saying to give an airdrop. But as the technology becomes more decentralized, as the technology at the starting phase of ZK, they don't need to be decentralized. It needs to be centralized so that they control the network at the start. And then further in stage, when they are making decentralized, they say the network, then they'll release the token. Okay, so it'll take some time for the token to airdrop to come. So the next one is Animoco brand cuts metaverse funds target to 800 million. As all we know that Meta is putting around $1 billion, right? So now they cut it to 800 million. So that's for it. Say they cut a 20% to the 800 million. That's not a bad thing, but they're cutting metaverse, so you need to stay away from metaverse also, as it's not exactly bad, but metaverse coins are end pumping till now. Okay, so for the last news, Amazon NFT plans tease in a receipt mail on Friday afternoon. Okay, so Amazon plans to release their NFT marketplace. Okay, and there's rumors, but it's not actually true. See, because somebody received a message, or you're saying order confirmation. Good news, your order has been completed and your digital token is now in your gallery. Keep in mind, you won't be able to resell it. So they're planning to make a NFT marketplace. Resell it until it unlocks. If your item isn't unlocked within 72 hours, please contact customer. You also need to register as a reseller before listing an NFT for sale. So they are trying to create an NFT marketplace on Amazon. That will be huge, right? So the NFT marketplace also, that's also we need to keep an eye. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like the content, just give it a like, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next live stream. Peace, guys.